Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Week 1 will be covering immutable updates and best practices. So why immutability is important in Redux? Redux relies on immutability because it prevents unintended state mutations, ensures Redux state updates correctly, helps React efficiently detect state changes via reference comparison, and avoids unpredictable bugs. We'll be covering 3 main things. The first one being avoiding array mutations. In Redux, never modify arrays directly. Example, push, pop, or splice. The wrong approach as shown over here is direct mutation. So here we are doing state.items.push new item. This basically mutates state directly. The correct approach, the immutable way, is to use spread operator to create a new array, which ensures Redux detects the change. So here you can see return state items, comma, new item, which is basically creating a new array. The next is avoiding object mutations. So the wrong approach as shown over here is the direct mutation. If you see, we are directly updating state.user.name equals John, which mutates state directly. The correct approach is to go the immutable way, using spread operator to create a new object. It ensures state updates correctly. So here we have our state using the spread operator, and then over here we are creating a new object with updated values. Now, the next step is using Immer for immutable updates. So what is Immer? Immer simplifies immutable state updates by letting you write mutable code while ensuring immutability internally. And the best part is Immer is built into Redux Toolkit by default. So over here, the code that we have seen in action, over here you can see we are directly updating the count value by 1 or decrementing it by 1 or resetting it to 0. Over here you can see that it looks mutable, but Immer handles immutability. So why does this work? Because Immer wraps the state in a proxy and ensures changes are immutable internally. You can write mutable looking code while staying immutable. So this basically allows us to have reducers which can be written with mutative syntax, while RTK or Redux Toolkit automatically ensures immutability. The Redux Toolkit basically abstracts away Immer's complexity, making state updates simpler and more readable. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.